Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a airport update of Denver International Airport. This airport features tons and tons and tons of groundings. There's probably about 50 to 60 airplanes grounded. But there's still a couple operations, or a fair amount of operations still going. A lot of planes departing, none really arriving. One runway, is completely closed off due to groundings and what's going around. But anyway, we'll get straight into this airport update, starting off with this American Eagle ERJ-175 pulling onto the runway for nonstop service out to Los Angeles. And then the next route we have here, we have a United Express ERJ-175. This aircraft will be heading out to Albuquerque. That's a fun name. Then we have a Southwest 737-700 heading out to Seattle, Tacoma. Then we have a Air Canada ERJ-190. This is in the old livery, and will be heading out to Montreal Trudia, if that's how you pronounce it. And then over here we have a Delta ERJ-170 heading out to Salt Lake City. And we have a Spirit Airbus A320 in the rainbow livery. This aircraft will be heading out to Los Angeles. Then last we have a Alaska Airbus A320. This is like 6th in line for departure for nonstop service out to Seattle. Now if we come over here, you can see we have a couple Alaska planes grounded, some Southwest, and then over here Cayman Airlines, JetBlue Alaska, American. Most of the international carriers are not even in this airport update. As you can see, this terminal is very empty, pretty much gone. So, but we'll get straight into this. Here we have a United Express CRJ-550. This will be operating for a plane CRJ-700, and it's heading out to St. Louis. And then this CRJ-550, same thing, operating for a CRJ-700, heading out to Palm Springs. And then starting off the A gates, we have a American 737-800. This arrived in from Dallas-Fort Worth and is just sitting here temporary. Then we have a American Eagle ERJ-175. Actually, I learned this from Aviation, or AS Aviation YT. He said that it's an E175, not an ERJ-175. So yeah, E175. Just getting ready to depart out to Los Angeles. Then we have a Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft will be heading out to, Chicago O'Hare. And we have another Frontier Airbus A320neo heading out to Atlanta. And then we have a Frontier A320neo heading out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Then we have a Frontier Airbus A319. These airplanes recently got grounded, but I'm still keeping mine in here for a while. But it'll be heading out to Roswell. And then if we go to the other side, here we have a Frontier Airbus A321 heading out to San Francisco. Then a Frontier A320 Griswold the Bear heading out to Des Moines. Then a Frontier A320 getting catering service on for a nonstop service out to Mobile downtown. If you know where that is, I do not, but it's a route. Here we have a Delta 737-900. This aircraft is taxiing out to Atlanta. And then right here we have a Delta 737-800. This aircraft is heading out to Cincinnati. Then a Delta CRJ-700 heading out to Salt Lake City. and a Delta A220 also heading out to Salt Lake City. Starting off the back side of the concourse, we have a Delta MD-90 and a Delta 717. I believe both these aircrafts are going to be grounded, or retired. So they will be heading out to Roswell. Here we have a Volaris A321 heading out to Guadalajara. Taxiing to the runway, we have a Icelandair 757-200. This aircraft will be heading out to Reykjavik, Keflavik. And then we have a Air Canada CRJ-700. This aircraft will be pushing back and heading out to Toronto Pearson. A Aeromexico E170 pushing back for Monterrey. Then we have all these empty gates till we get over here. We have a Delta, oh boy, that's going to be a rough day. United 737-800. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be heading out to San Diego. Then just in front of that, we have a American, oh my god, Aeromexico 737-800. This aircraft will be heading out to Mexico City. Then we have a American A320. This aircraft will be heading out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. American A321 heading out to Philadelphia. Now let's get on to the cargo planes. I am sorry this is handheld. I'm not very good at it, as I can tell by myself. But I had to fix a lot of things because I did the collection update and it was just a mess. But anyway, here we have a UPS 757. Gorgeous plane. This will be heading out to Burbank. And a FedEx 757 heading out to Memphis. And this is a private 737-800. I will eventually turn this into NAC. It's a cargo airline. I'm not actually sure what it stands for. Northern Air Cargo. That's what it is. They fly to Honolulu, so a lot of cargo planes will be featured in Honolulu instead of Denver, but most of them will still be here, just like this one. FedEx 777. This aircraft will be heading out to Oakland. UPS MD-11F will be heading out to Ontario. FedEx MD-11F heading out to San Jose. FedEx 767 heading out to Fort Worth Alliance. Alright, so that is it for the cargo operations. Now there is something I would like to show you really quack. If you look over here, this is runway 34 left. Let me get a better angle here. But this whole thing is blocked off by grounded planes. So we have American, Southwest, a bunch of United, WestJet, Southwest, United, and all the way down there we have Allegiant. The only ones that actually park here is United, Southwest, and maybe American. Yeah, I have seen some American groundings, but it is really a sad sight. I do hope we can get back and running as soon as possible, but we can't really do too much about it. It's not really in our hands, but we can stay home, watch more Netflix, and yeah. Here we have a United A320 heading out to Orange County. United 737-900. This is in the Continental retro livery and will be heading out to Milwaukee. And as you can see, all of this is gone. Now, I would like to say a little disclaimer. I am never buying Geminijets again, most likely, unless there's a really good release. I have 4 models 4 that are missing tires. They're just gone. Like, really? You can't... Oh my god. All my NG models are perfectly fine. None of them broken. I have 4 Gemini jets missing tires. Anyway, United Airbus A319 in the new livery heading out to Cleveland. United E175 heading out to Atlanta. United E175 heading out to Charlotte. Here's a little fictional plane. United-8Q200, I guess, is heading out to Calgary. United CRJ200 in the American Eagle livery heading out to Vail. United CRJ200 heading out to Grand Junction. And a rest in peace for Trans-State Airlines ERJ-145. This will be heading out to Roswell as Trans-State just canceled all operations due to this stupid thing going around. I did get a request to maybe turn this into a Denver Air connection, and I did like that idea. But I haven't looked at the plane yet, but I'm pretty sure it's a really complex livery. So I guess we'll just see about that. And, yeah. Here we have a United 737-800 heading out to Dallas, Fort Worth. So as you can see, that's all the United. So that's empty. This still has a lot of operations. Frontier is still having a lot of operations. United, not so much. And then Southwest and Spirit. Very, very empty. So yeah. Here we have 2 cargo 747-8s. They are just temporarily sitting here, and they won't be going anywhere anytime soon until Honolulu comes out. I'll put it that way. Here we have a Spirit Airbus A320 heading out to Baltimore. Another Spirit A320 heading out to Los Angeles. And then we have a Southwest 737-700. This will be heading out to San Diego. Southwest 737-800 heading out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. And then a Southwest 737 MAX 8 operating for a plane -800 heading out to Detroit. I'm sorry about the shaky camera. Oh, also here is a Globemaster C-17, also just in parking. I do apologize if it was a shaky video. I just had to get this out as soon as I could. If you want to dislike it, that's totally fine with me. But yeah, I do apologize. Here we have a Southwest 737-800. This aircraft will be heading out to Memphis. Then we have a Southwest 737-300 heading out to Dallas Love Field. And then let's just take a look at all these groundings. As you can see, there are many groundings. It is really sad, but I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this airport update. The next one will not be handheld. Trust me, I do not have that kind of talent, as you could probably tell. I do like to thank everybody for 1.5K. I hope you did watch the face reveal video. That was a interesting one. I did not mean to upload it on April Fool's, but many people thought it was a prank, but it still did good in views wise, I guess. But yeah, thank you for watching. Honolulu will be out ASAP. It is almost done. I just have to do more of the markings like taxiway, runway, ILS box, I think is what it's. Oh my god, if it stops focusing, I'm gonna chuck it in the snow. And yes, it is snowing in Denver. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. It will not be handheld, it will be by my normal tripod. And yeah, peace out.